Hey everyone, I'm TrungX. Welcome back to my channel, AmazingTrungX. These days, if you're following the news, you might be hearing a lot about conflicts around the world, especially in Ukraine and the Gaza Strip. I'm not going to dive into that here, but it did inspire an idea for this diorama. Stick around and see if you can spot the connection. We're starting off by sculpting a great white shark out of clay. This is one of my favorite things to do. If you've seen my other videos, you know sharks are a big deal on my channel. I thought I'd try to magically turn a lump of clay into a female ballet dancer. Just kidding. I tried, but I couldn't quite get it right, so I bought a plastic model instead. Now, let's paint it. This time I wanted to create a wavy water effect on the back of the epoxy resin block. I used a glass tile with a concave surface that looks like water and made a silicone mold from it. Then I removed the tile and poured the resin into the mold. When the resin dries, the back will have a rough surface, making it look more like water. Stay tuned to see how it turns out. The first resin pour is done and it's completely dry. But there's a small problem. The white shark doesn't fit the layout I had in mind. I'll trim it a bit and sand the edges to make them flatter. Silicone molds are soft, so the resin block bends a bit where it touches the mold. This time I'll use a wooden mold, so I won't need to spend so much time fixing the resin block's surface when it dries. After painting, I added a little white streak to enhance the water effect. It might not make perfect sense behind the resin block, but it makes it look softer. Do you think my water effect idea works? Let me know in the comments. The project is almost done. Oh, wait, I should add some waves above the shark too. There, it's exactly what I wanted. Now let's see how awesome it looks with the lights on. By the way, my website has lots of unique resin lamp products. If you like what you see, please support me by purchasing one if you can.
İyiyim. İşte.